You want to know the habit that actually changed my life? It's not what you think. It's not waking up at 5 a.m., reading 52 books a year, or even hitting the gym. No, it's something way smaller, but way more powerful. I'm talking about cleaning, not just your room. I'm talking about the tiny, silent messes in your life, the ones no one sees but you feel every day. That drawer you keep stuffing random junk into. Clean it. That text you've been avoiding for weeks. Send it. That old project you started but never finished. Finish it. See, life doesn't fall apart because of some massive failure. It gets clogged by 1,000 little messes we ignore. Every unfinished task, every avoided conversation, every cluttered corner, it steals your energy. It whispers, you're not in control. But the moment you start clearing just one mess, something wild happens. You feel lighter, more confident. You start to believe, if I can fix this, what else can I fix? This isn't about being perfect. It's about proving every single day that you're in control, that you can take your power back. One drawer, one message, one decision at a time. So here's what I want you to do. Today, pick one thing. Clean that drawer. Send that message. Cross off that task you've been avoiding forever. Then tomorrow, do one more. Day by day, you're not just cleaning your room, you're cleaning your life. Most people think success comes from big moves, but the truth? It comes from tiny victories, won quietly, consistently. Because every time you clear a mess, you're not just making space in your room, you're making space in your mind for bigger dreams. And one day you'll look back and realize that one little habit didn't just change your room, it changed your life.